Yes, ready for dictation? Start. We go about it by discovering what is called a revenue neutral rate stop. That is not the actual rate of tax stop. That is simply a step in deciding the slab rates stop. It is not so technical stop. In fact, it can be explained in fairly simply terms stop. You derive an RNR and then from that RNR you work out the slab rates stop. Today, please remember over 80% of excise duties are between 12 and 14% stop. Over 56% of VAT is in the range of about 13 to 14% stop. So, on an average, 70% of the goods have a tax incidence of about 13 to 14% stop. But there are huge tax losses because of an inefficient collection machinery and a large number of goods escape taxes stop. They are neither captured by the union, captured by the states, etc. etc. stop. The GST is supposed to be a more efficient tax stop. If the union captures it, it cannot escape state tax stop. If the state captures it, it cannot escape union tax stop passes. Therefore, it is more efficient stop, and because it is non cascading, more people will comply with it stop because it is a self audit method, a chain of transactions. It is very difficult to escape the tax stop. All these are argued everywhere, and I don't wish to repeat those arguments stop. Now, the chief economic advisor of the government, working with experts, including state government representatives, arrived at an RNR of 15 to 15.5 stop and then suggested that the standard rate should be 18 stop. The Congress party did not pluck 18 from the air stop. This 18 came out of your report. The standard rate must be 18 stop. You can have then a lower rate less than 18 and you can have a demerit rate of more than 18 stop. But the standard rate, the rate that will apply to most groups and most services, must be 18, and the chief economic advisor has argued very cogently that it alone will make it non-inflationary, acceptable to the public, and an efficient way of taxing without tax evasion stop. Now, when we say cap the tax rate, what are we saying? Question mark. We are saying that this rate should not be changed by the whim of the executive stop. Today, excise duties are changed by the whim of the executive stop. 3 days ago, they, by the whim, reduced the price of petrol and diesel stop. 3 days later, they increased stop over.